Hi, my name is Amanda Cagle, and this is my project about a bird's lifestyle. My project is directed for first grade life science. My hypothesis is that most birds primarily eat in the morning or AM hours. People often say they love waking up to the sound of birds chirping. My thought process came from that statement and proving that morning is when birds are most active. For this experiment, I used a homemade bird feeder and a bird feeder bought from the store. You can use either bird feeder, it doesn't matter. I used mixed bird food from a local hardware store and a video camera to record my findings. First, I hung bird feeders in my backyard about 5 feet above ground. About every hour, I took a bird count to see how many birds were feeding on the feeders or on the ground. I took the video over a 3-day time period. This is a graph of my findings. As you can see, 10 a.m. was the most popular time with a total count of 20 birds. However, I thought it would be around 7 a.m. or so. But the most popular time overall looks to be more like the evening, during dinner time. I guess the birds like to eat around the same time we do. Some possible errors that could have occurred during my findings were counting some of the birds twice, the difference in bird feeders, homemade versus store-bought, or outside variables such as weather, like rain or really cold weather, or other animals around the feeders when the birds want to eat. All of these things could have made an impact on how many birds were present at the time of eating. Now, if I were to teach this in an actual classroom, there are a few ways you could go about doing it. You could have the students make their own bird feeders at home and then record their findings at home, or you could have the students make their own bird feeders at school and hang them up outside of school and observe the bird feeders outside of school during class time. And that's all for my bird lifestyle project. Hope you enjoyed it.